A little boy at a wedding looks at his mom and says, "Mommy, why the bride wear white?" His mama replied, "The bride is white because she's happy and this is the happiest day of her life." The boy thinks about it and then says, "Well, then why is the groom wearing black?"